Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we have an exciting topic to discuss on how to grow or how you can grow your YouTube channel by getting 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours. Yes, getting 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours. Ours is like on YouTube is like running a marathon in which will take time, effort, and then patience, time, and then as a consistency, because it requires some time to take patience, effort, and determination. So if you want to be a YouTuber and you want to start this year, or you want to start today, tomorrow, this or next month, or this year, or next year, then I suggest you to watch this video at the end. So before we continue, make sure you like, you subscribe, share to support this channel, support and help this channel to grow. So let's dive in. One people commented on it, and you see how many people engaged on my video. They reaction it, and they commented that this is this my tutorial is fine. This my tutorial helps me a lot. I will verify my TikTok account. I'll verify on it. I'll do this. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for sharing this. So I so so that's it. So that's the video that I've shown you, and you have to start looking for topics, the one that is more relevant keyword with the hashtags. But if you trailers, and if you or you can even post memes, comedy films, actions, series, this and etc. Yes, and including sports news, sports games, and aviation news. This will this will make YouTuber to ask people to watch, like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification, because this has helped this tricks helped me a lot by getting more likes, more views, subscribers, comments, and shares, and I've been making a video so far. One of the second ways to grow your channel is to optimize your videos for search by using VidIQ or TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy for search engine optimization. To grow your channel, you need to be discoverable. And that's where the video optimization comes into play. Is you start by conducting keyword that search using the tools like this or like this. You make sure you use these tools to incorporate relevant keyword to your video titles, the description, and the tags. Additionally, once you have your video ideas, you have to optimize them your videos for maximum visibility. Pay attention to it and use these tools that people will search for your video in order to increase your chances of appearing in search result. You create an eye catching thumbnail that will generate to make people entice viewers to click on your videos. One of the third ways to grow your YouTube channel is to engage with your audience. Engage with your audience. Engaging with your audience is like your viewers or your followers, and it's an important way that you engage them with your audience and your viewers, and that will help you, that will grow your YouTube channel to the next level. But building a loyal community is crucial for channel growth. You take the time to respond comment yeah, that people comment on your video, you respond them and ask them for feedback. But this will not only help you build a strong connection with your audience, but it will also improve your video rankings and increase the watch time. If you want the viewers to keep watching them, then to keep if you want the viewers to watch more videos, ask them ask them to keep watch your video. Keep asking them to watch. Asking them to watch. The number of people that watch your video and the number of views that are increasing in your video, it depend that will make the viewers to keep watching the video for how long, depending on how many people have they watched and how many hours have they watched, and how many people have they coming back to watch more of your videos. That will make the views to increase, more watch time. The more views increases and the more watch time increases. The fourth step in growing your YouTube channel is to collaborate with other creators. Collaborate with other YouTubers or the creators can be a game changer. But you reach out to creators who share similar audience and propose a collaboration ideas. You can even host live streams by using a Q&A, by using questions and answers. You ask them questions and they will answer you. You invite your friends and family, and they will join you for in a YouTube live, and the other more YouTubers to engage them. Use these questions and answers you can use questions. So you can use questions and answers such in a competition, or you use game challenges, just like playing Ludo, or flip bottle challenges, or even playing cards like playing Ludo, or even do race, and and it is so that more people will join them by participating in what you are doing. At least this can expose your channel to a new audience, and it will help you gain more subscribers. The collaboration is a win-to-win situation for the partially involved. The fifth step in growing your YouTube channel is to analyze and adopt your video. You keep an eye close on your channel analytics. If you go to YouTube Studio, you click on analytics, you check the channel to see how your channel is performing, how many videos are they performing, how many views, how many likes, how many watch hours. But regularly, you have to analyze your video performance, the audience graphics, and the watch time. Because this data provide a valuable insight into what's working and what the video needs improvement. And lastly, the last step to grow your YouTube channel is to use your YouTube channel and promote it on social media. Yes, promoting on social media can be tricky, but it can be difficult. You can also promote your YouTube channel outside on YouTube by using WhatsApp, Telegram. Like me, I share some of my YouTube videos on WhatsApp and Telegram, and I also promote the free website like Trending on E and the Plus US while you on it. Subscribers. And thank you so much, and see you in another video. And if you wanna learn more about to get 4,000 hours on YouTube, then I suggest you to watch this video over here.